Hello everyone. Welcome to SKLEARNING C#.NET interview series. In this video, we'll explore the difference between abstract versus interface. Abstract doesn't provide full abstraction. Interface provides full abstraction. Abstract class is used to create abstract classes. Interface is used to create interfaces. Abstract class can have fields. Interfaces can't have fields. Abstract classes can have implementations for some of their members, methods. Interface can't have implementation for any of its members. Abstract class members can have access to modifiers. Interface members can't have access modifiers. Abstract class members can be private by default, which can be changed. Interface members can be public by default, which cannot be changed. Abstract class can inherit from another abstract class or another interface. Interface can inherit from another interface only and cannot inherit from an abstract class. The performance of an abstract class is fast. The performance of interface is slow because it requires time to search actual method in the corresponding class. Abstract class can be fully, partially, or not implemented. Interface should be fully implemented. Abstract class contain constructor. Interface does not contain constructor. Multiple inheritance is not achieved by abstract class. Multiple inheritance is achieved by interface. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to SKLEARNING for more informative content.